Hello everyone and welcome back to Migi Drawing Academy. Today we're gonna draw a shark. So let's start. The first step is to make the nose. A big one. Then the eye. The cheek, a really big jaw, going down, then up, the other cheek, going down, completing the jaw, and then to the body. Now you can add the fins, complete the body to the tail, two peaks at the top and one at the bottom. The other fin, finish the other eye, a small circle for each eye, the top fin, and now we draw the teeth, really big teeth. And two small holes for the nose. Fill any gap that you have. And that's it, we're done. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe and remember, new draw lessons every Tuesday and Saturday. See you!